lines for months now. Even as we speak, guests have started arriving for the reception of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. It is like a gathering of who's who, not only from India, but all over the world. However, it is the Prime Minister Narendra Modi whose presence at the Shubh Ashirwad ceremony yesterday generated a lot of heartburn. Prime Minister stole the limelight at the lavish star-studded event as he blessed the newlyweds. If I could request the PCR to play out the visuals of Prime Minister, please. He met the families and took blessings of the Shankaracharyas as well. He also took the time out to meet the parents of the bride, Radhika Merchant, after handing over the gift that he had got for the newlyweds. However, predictably, Prime Minister's presence raised the hackles of the Congress. There are multiple reactions that have come in from Congress leaders who have raised objections to Prime Minister attending the big lavish event. Jairam Ramesh of the Congress said that self-proclaimed divinity is now at the wedding. The tempos have been forgotten. Repeating the tempo analogy was Atul Londe Patil, who is a leader from Maharashtra Congress, who said, Prime Minister leveled Ambani sends money in tempo charge, but I hope that he attended this wedding not at public expense but at private expense. Just to give context to our viewers, Modi, during his Lok Sabha campaign, had accused the two industrialists of sending tempo loads of alleged illicit funds to the Congress, claiming that this is why Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had stopped speaking against them since the elections were announced. Now, Congress is using that analogy to hit back at the Prime Minister. Srinivas Bibi, who is the head of Indian Youth Congress, in fact, also quoted Priyanka Gandhi and said that Priyanka had earlier said about Ambani and Adani that they will never be able to buy out her brother Rahul Gandhi because he, remember, and the entire Gandhi family, in fact, were the ones who were missing from that event.
अदानी जी, अंबानी जी ने बड़े से बड़े नेता खरीद लिए, देश के सारे पीएसयू खरीद लिए, देश की मीडिया खरीद ली, लेकिन मेरे भाई को नहीं खरीद पाए और ना कभी खरीद पाएंगे.
The BJP is now citing opposition leaders who were present at the wedding to make a counterpoint. Look at those visuals playing out on your screens. There was Tejasvi Yadav, there was Lalu Yadav. You can also see Akhilesh attending the wedding. There was also Mamta Banerjee, and they are just a few of several leaders from the opposition who were present at that mega ceremony.
ब्याह शादी के अवसरों पर मिले निमंत्रण को तिरस्कार करना, अपमानित करना भारतीय परंपरा का हिस्सा कभी नहीं रहा. जहां तक अंबानी परिवार के आर्थिक तौर पे समृद्ध होने की कहानी है, उसकी शुरुआत श्रीमती गांधी के शासनकाल से शुरू होती है. तब ना एनडीए की सरकार थी, ना मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री थे. अगर आप अवलोकन करेंगे, सारे जितने भी एसेट्स बिल्डअप हुए हैं अंबानी परिवार के, वो कांग्रेस के शासनकाल में.
कांग्रेस के नेता भी गए हैं, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी गैर जिम्मेदाराना बयान दे रही है. निजी समारोह, शादी समारोह में सब लोग जाते हैं जिनको निमंत्रण मिलता है. इस पर इतना हंगामा बर्पा करने की जरूरत नहीं.
Joining me now on the broadcast is Charu Pragya, who is a BJP spokesperson, and Shyam Prasad Meka, who is a leader from the Congress party. Mr. Meka, what was Jairam Ramesh thinking when he made the comment about tempos? What does that have to do with the Prime Minister going and blessing a newlywed couple?
See, it's actually a private affair. Wedding, people will go. That's not a big deal for us to discuss. Okay,
sir,
as far as Jairam Ramesh is concerned,
sir, it wouldn't have been. I absolutely agree. It is not a big deal. It is a private event, and relationships are maintained like that. But Mr. Jairam Ramesh is the one who's making it a big deal. I am not.
No. He just tweeted. He took a jab at his political opponent. Why we are getting excited about that?
So it is a big deal, right?
No. He is a divinity, self-proclaimed divinity. He took a jab at it. He lied to the electorate. Sir, tempo भर के पैसे जा रहे हैं कांग्रेस के पास from Adani and Ambani. किस मुंह से गया भाई आज? वो ये जब Jairam Ramesh took. What is the big deal? We need to have move on. That's not our politics. This is not a national event. You guys in the media are getting so excited as if we are hosting Olympics.
No, sir. We are not getting excited. I have reactions at least from 3 leaders of the Congress party. I started with Jairam Ramesh because he happens to be the one who has maximum national prominence. You have Atul Londe, who said that Prime Minister leveled that Ambani sends money charge and now he's there. I hope he's there at his private expense, not at public expense. What does that even mean?
They by all means, they are entitled to take that jibe. Because it's a politics.
Yes,
It is a
exactly. Which is why I'm
political
asking you a question.
They'll take that
What
jibe.
politics is this?
What politics is this?
Yes.
What politics is this divinity doing when he claimed that Ambani is sending truckloads of money to Congress?
Okay.
What was that politics?
Okay,
This is a
so you have a...
You need to have a little more thicker skin. Maybe Prime Minister has a thicker skin because he is a seasoned politician, but Prime Minister Fans Association in the media are having a very thin skin.
Sir, that's not fair, sir. I am only asking you what your leaders have said. I haven't even added a single word to it.
It's a simple jibe in a tweet. Simple.
Okay. Charu Pragya, there is nothing to be read between the lines. It's just politics.
Yeah, and I think it's very interesting that Mr. Meka says this. Maybe he should convey this message to Jairam ji also, to Atul ji also, and to Srinivas also. Why don't you do that? Because it is your leaders who are making a big deal out of a nothing. For a Prime Minister who's always been social, whenever invited lovingly and respectfully, he's gone to bless multiple newlyweds across the country. In fact, many a times he's blessed couples he doesn't even know personally. When he was on a temple visit last time to the south of India, at Guruvayur temple, he met lots of young couples. So I am sorry, your leaders are the one who are creating a mountain out of a molehill. And in fact, if Rahul ji intends to get married anytime soon, maybe he can lovingly invite the Prime Minister of the country and Modi ji will consent to go, I'm certain. Because when he can't make it in person, I know for certain, here is the Prime Minister who responds in writing and sends blessings. So instead of being glad that one of the biggest industrialist families in this country has celebrated the wedding of their child in such a grand way, where lots of opposition leaders have gone. See, I am not making a jibe on Mamta Didi, on Akhilesh Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, Laluchi, who went with an entourage of his entire family. Your leaders, Digvijay Singh, Kamal Nath, Rajiv Shukla, I can go on and on. Uddhav ji went. Nobody is talking about that. So there, your leaders don't want to make comments. Maybe the Congress should have issued some kind of a guideline and told all its alliance partners and leaders do not attend this wedding before making these silly jibes.
No. See, yeah, Charuji, like BJP, in Congress, we have the culture of everybody having their own opinion on this thing. This is a private matter. This is a marriage. All the best to them. Good. Best
And
wishes.
then why are your leaders
As simple as that.
on Modi ji visiting? Why not give some gyan to your alliance partners? Give a call to Mamta Didi, to Laluchi.
Modi ji is not, as he claimed, he is not a Paramatma sent divinity. He is just a politician. And people will take jibes at a politician.
Did you have a word with Srinivas?
Why should I?
Come on television and say, oh, it doesn't matter. Maybe
I am
remind
speaking
your
on the
leaders
national
that
television. I have my opinion.
creating
B.D.
a
Srinivas
debate
has his opinion. Jairam ji will have his opinion. What is
and
it?
God bless you. May you have a happy married life together. That's all. That's all that was needed.
No, and also, while you talk about taking jibes and politics, let me bring your attention to what Lakshman Singh of the Congress has put out. If I could quote him directly, he says that, there is so much poverty in this country. There are so many problems in that. And in such a situation, there is a 5,000 crore wedding. Every single person who's attended that wedding, every single party who is linked with this is doomed to perish. Now, the first image that somebody very helpfully put out after that was of Digvijay Singh, Lakshman Singh's own brother at that wedding. What do you have to say to Lakshman Singh, Mr. Meka?
See, who am I to say? Say they will go.
Sir, you are a Congress leader.
No, wait. I am Congress leader. I'll talk
Yes.
about Congress policies. I'll talk about Congress manifesto. I'll talk about Congress way of politics,
Yes.
not about who is going to which marriage
But
Vijay Singh is
are you,
gone,
are you
or
saying,
Lakshman Singh is
are
gone.
you saying that
That's
when
not my Congress.
Priyanka Gandhi says that Rahul will never be bought out and he is not a sellout to Adani Ambani's, and when the entire Congress ecosystem puts out on social media, look, the moral high ground that has been taken, Gandhis haven't attended the wedding, that's not Congress policy.
No, wait. That's not a Congress policy. That's just a political criticism. Now, next time when you use Congress ecosystem, maybe you're taking a cue from, you're taking a cue from the Prime Minister. I am going to call this Manuwadi ecosystem out. You use Congress ecosystem, I will call
Leave aside ecosystem. You know what I'm talking about. You're just trying to deflect the issue.
No,
I quoted you four card-carrying Congress leaders. Jairam Ramesh, Atul Londe, we have Srinivas BV, and then I showed you what Lakshman Singh has said. Okay?
Unlike
They are the
BJP, we
system,
can have our
not the
opinions.
ecosystem.
We have our opinions. We are not robust like BJP.
But your opinions can't be
won't follow
contradictory,
one
na,
guy.
sir. If you say that Prime Minister should not have gone, then all these Congress leaders, right from DK Shivakumar to Abhishek Manu Singhvi to every top leader to Digvijay Singh, they also should not have gone.
I am not saying or asking anybody to go or not. It's entirely their matter. It's somebody else's marriage. Why should I have an opinion on that? Whoever gets the invite, they will go.
Sir, Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi got an invite. So are you saying they should have gone?
It's up to them. Why are we discussing that even? I will invite you to my birthday party tomorrow. It's your choice, right? No, I can't make it. Fine, no.
Sir, yes, of course, it is fine. Just like it is fine for somebody to go and attend, but it is not fine if you say that if you attend the wedding, then it is for some sinister purposes. But if Congress leaders go, then it is a private event. Congress or anybody from India for that matter. Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, Lalu Yadav, Tejasvi Yadav, everyone.
Improve your sense of humor, that's all. It's a simple joke.
I don't think she was cracking a joke.
They should be able to take it.
I
They should
don't
be able
think
to
the
take
answer
that
was
political
cracking a
joke.
joke. Priya, can I come in, please?
Yes, please. Do you think it is a joke?
No,
This is very
absolutely
bad.
not. But I'm going to put things in perspective for our viewers on behalf of Mr. Mecca for a change. He means to say that he disagrees with Priyanka Gandhi, he disagrees with Jairam Ramesh, he disagrees with everybody who's criticized the Ambani wedding. Basically, that's what he's trying to say. I think we should appreciate his honesty at a time like this, because obviously the Congress leaders and other India Alliance leaders have seen it fit to attend the wedding. Now, he seems to have a contrary view. If Modi ji attends, it's a problem. If his own leaders attend, it's not a problem. You're absolutely right. And maybe Meka ji is confused, so we should let him be. We should let him off the hook.
Charuji, you are putting your words in my mouth very nicely. Good try.
Mr. Meka, you're the one who did that yourself. Absolutely, you did that yourself. So you have essentially made sure that every single Congress leader who spoke against the Prime Minister attending a wedding have now been rubbished. By your own words, you have said that this is just a political jibe. You don't agree with anybody's personal opinion, whether it is Priyanka Gandhi or Jairam. I congratulate you.
They have their opinion. Why should I have an opinion?
Say you don't agree with Priyanka Gandhi and say you don't agree with Jairam Ramesh. Just say it.
Okay, Charuji, let me be very clear. Being a congressman, I won't agree on 100 things with Rahul Gandhi. I won't agree with Priyanka Gandhi on 1,000 things. So what? We are a political party. We are a party. We have a party discipline. We will talk about and we will agree on our political philosophy.
So, Mr.
We're
Meka,
not like
let's take it one by one. Do you agree with Jairam Ramesh?
Huh?
Do you agree with Jairam Ramesh when he says that
don't-
tempos have been forgotten? Okay. Do you agree with Srinivas BV?
No. Wait. I don't agree with Jairam Ramesh on the hairstyle. I want him to choose a different hairstyle. So what is the problem?
Sir, Jairam Ramesh's hairstyle and your liking or disliking of it is completely between you
But
two.
it's the same thing you
But
are
that's not
asking
the same. What are you even saying,
You're
Mr.
asking
Meka?
me.
But we can.
I will also
Your
take that
topmost
Jairam
leaders from Rahul Gandhi to Priyanka Gandhi go about town saying that, BJP is a Modani party. They favor Ambani and Adani's. And now you say you do not agree with any of those. They are just political jibes. All of them.
No, BJP's policy is crony capitalism. That's what we are saying. Adanis and Ambanis will be mentioned.
So
when we are
if
talking
you are
about
so
that.
much against crony capitalism, then you should not, these people should not be attending, no. When Lakshman Singh says that the parties who are linked are doomed to perish, his message is to your entire India alliance almost. It is to TMC because Mamata Banerjee is there. It is to Samajwadi Party because Akhilesh is there. It is also to Lalu Prasad Yadav because Tejasvi is there. Is that not so?
See, you can ask me about any Congress policy. I will speak. You give opinion of somebody and ask me to tell my opinion on somebody's opinion.
So
What are we trying to
is
do?
the opposition
That's not
to
how it.
Adani's and Ambani's a policy or selective opinion?
Opposition to Adani, Ambani is part of the crony capitalism that the BJP is pursuing.
So
As
you are
part of
saying
that, we will talk about Adanis and Ambani.
that the money that was used
are
for
not
this
going to-
wedding has got nothing to do with them, which you otherwise allege being involved in crony capitalism?
Listen. See, this is not the occasion for me to comment on the money. I won't.
Sir, it
Okay,
was,
as simple as
sir, by
that.
the same criteria, it is not the occasion for anybody in your party to comment about a happy
They
union
have-
between two souls.
Everybody has their opinions. No, our party will not work like BJP. We want force. Supreme leader के सामने नतमस्तक नहीं होते हम लोग. We
Okay.
have our own thinking minds.
Charu Pragya, democracy it is. Lakshman Singh can also criticize his own brother who's there at the
Oh
wedding.
yes, absolutely. We are Congress, no?
Can say that he is to be blamed for the poverty in India.
I could have done with a
It's
laugh
his
this
opinion.
weekend.
Yes.
And thanks to this debate, I think me and our viewers have had that. I think where is the debate? Mr. Meka himself agrees that the Congress leaders who were criticizing the wedding and its attendees were wrong to do so. I really don't know what to say after that. And as for constantly criticizing the capitalists in our country, they forget that they are wealth creators, they are job creators. No country's economy can progress without industrialists. And to wealth shame people is not a very good stand for any political party to take, especially when you're going to bow over backwards
Yes.
and end up at celebrations once invited.
And also it is
we
when
are not
when
against wealth
very
creation.
strong
We are-
statements like
we are
these
against
are
the crony
dismissed
capitalism.
as just personal opinions, it also gives the opposition, basically in this case the Saffron Party, a chance to
Because our
brand
country in a bad-
people like the leaders of the Congress Party compulsive critics. When you don't mean what you say, you just say it because, well, you want to say it, you want to target somebody when you don't have solid arguments to back it. Whether or not that was the case in this particular instance, we leave it to our viewers to decide. Thank you, Charu Pragya, as well as Mr. Shyam Prasad Meka for joining us. We take a very quick break.